I'm Isaac. We're here this day to present a gift to humanity,
a gift to Africa,
a gift to the people.
A presentation of professional services tailored to the needs of Kenyan population. Today, we'll explore how our platform connects users with a diverse range of services to address their local needs effectively. KenyaConnect is a comprehensive platform that connects users with professional service providers across various categories. Whether you need home services such as healthcare, legal advice, education support, transportation, or retail services, KenyaConnect has what you covered. KenyaConnect include the service categories. These include the home services, healthcare, legal services, education, transportation, beauty and wellness, agriculture, and more. To find the service provider, filter by location, ratings, and availability to find the perfect match. To book services, easily schedule appointments or request services directly through the app. To secure payments, pay for the services securely using mobile money platforms or any other local payment method. Ratings and reviews. You can provide feedback and on service quality to maintain high standards within the community.
One might ask, is there a need for professional services in Kenya? Kenya is a vibrant country with a growing population and diverse needs. Despite all this, access to reliable and affordable professional services remains a challenge for many Kenyan residents. Our platform aims to bridge this gap by providing a convenient and accessible way for users to access a wide range of services. How it works? Users can easily sign up for an account on KenyaConnect and browse through a curated list of service providers. They can search for providers based on location, ratings, availability, ensuring they find the right fit for their needs. Booking services is quick and hassle-free with secure payments options available within the app. Monetization strategies of KenyaConnect include service fees. Service providers pay a commission or subscription fee to access customer needs. Secondly, premium listings. We offer premium listings for increased visibility and exposure. In-app advertising. Display targeted advertisements from local businesses and services. Subscription plans. Offer subscription plans for users who want to access to premium features or to exclusive discounts. Lastly, a referral program. To implement a referral program to incentivize user growth and engagement.
KenyaConnect is committed to providing accessible and reliable professional services to the people of Kenya. With our platform, users can easily connect with trusted service providers and address their local needs effectively. Thank you for considering KenyaConnect as your go-to destination for professional services.